Hello, my name is Vishakha Suryavanshi. Today I will tell you about MedDRA. MedDRA is a medical dictionary for regulatory activities. It is an internationally recognized terminology used in pharmacovigilance, clinical development, and regulatory affairs. It provides standardized terminology for coding, reporting, and analyzing adverse events, medical conditions, and drug related safety data. MedDRA is developed by the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, that is ICH. It facilitates global communication of drug safety information across regulatory agencies, pharmaceutical companies, and healthcare professionals. MedDRA follow structure with 5 levels. That first is system organ class, that is SOC, the broadest category representing organ systems, example nervous system or disorders. Second one is high level group term, that is HLGT, groups related medical conditions, example neurological disorders, NEC. And third one is high level term, that is HLT, more specific groupings under HLGT, example of peripheral neuropathies. And fourth one is preferred term, PT, standardized medical terms of adverse events, example is peripheral neuropathy. And fifth one is lowest level term, that is LLT, in specific synonyms or alternative expressions, example nerve pain in legs. Applications of MedDRA in pharmacovigilance includes first is adverse event reporting, that is used in individual case safety reports, ICSRs, for regulatory submissions, and ensures consistency and classification of drug related adverse effects. Second one is signal detection and risk assessment, helps in identifying trends or patterns in adverse drug reactions, supports regulatory decisions on drug safety. And third is regulatory reporting, that is ICH E2B compliance, used by authorities like the FDA, EMA, and MHRA. The ensures informed reporting in database like UDRA Vigilance and FDS FAERS. And fourth one is clinical trial and post-marketing surveillance. It helps in coding and analyzing the safety data, facilitates comparison of drug safety profiles. And fifth is periodic safety update reports, that is PSURS, and risk management plans, that is RMPS, used in pharmacovigilance documentation for ongoing safety evaluation. And standardized MedDRA queries. In standardized MedDRA queries, that is SMQS. Standardized MedDRA queries are predefined set of MedDRA terms that help in identifying safety signals used for grouping related medical conditions, example hepatic disorders, SMQ for liver related adverse events. SMQ example is hepatic disorder, that is SMQ, and purpose, that is detect liver related adverse events. Second is cardiac arrhythmias, that is purpose is identify drug induced arrhythmias. MedDRA plays a vital role in various pharmacovigilance activities. In adverse event reporting, ICSRS, that is used in individual case safety reports for regulatory submission, ensures uniform reporting in databases like Vigilance, EMA, FAERS, FDA, and WHO. Uppsala Monitoring Center. Signal detection and risk assessment. It helps detect trends and patterns in adverse drug reactions, supports causality assessment to determine if a drug caused the event. And the periodic safety update reports is PSURS. In periodic safety reports, MedDRA coded data is used in PSURS and risk management plans for ongoing safety monitoring and ensures regulatory compliance with ICH E2E guidelines. In clinical trials and post-marketing surveillance, used in clinical trials to code adverse event consistently across studies. It supports post-marketing surveillance by monitoring adverse drug reactions in real-world use. And the next is MedDRA versioning and updates. Updated twice a year, March and September, by the Maintenance and Support Services Organization, that is MSSO. Companies must align their databases with the latest version to maintain regulatory compliance and includes new medical terms, updated classifications, and coding improvements. And the impact of version updates is new MedDRA versions can lead to changes in safety signals analysis. Companies must update their pharmacovigilance database and MedDRA coding practices. And training and certification in MedDRA includes MedDRA MSSO provides official training for regulatory professionals. Companies conduct internal MedDRA coding training for accurate safety reporting. And the challenges in using MedDRA includes complexity of MedDRA coding. That is, some adverse events have multiple possible codes requiring expertise in selecting the right term. Example, headache could be coded under different terms based on context, that is tension headache versus migraine. And the data consistency issues includes companies must ensure harmonized MedDRA coding across different databases. Inconsistent coding can impact signal detection and regulatory reports. And the MedDRA coded data is used in PSURS and risk management plans, that is RMPS, for ongoing safety monitoring. It ensures regulatory compliance with ICH E2E guideline. And the clinical trials and post-marketing surveillance is MedDRA is used in clinical trials to code adverse event consistently across the studies, supports post-marketing surveillance by monitoring adverse drug reaction in real-world use. And the next one is in the conclusion, the MedDRA is a critical tool in pharmacovigilance that ensuring accurate and standardized coding of adverse events. It enhances global regulatory compliance, supports safety monitoring, and helps in better decision making regarding the drug safety. Proper training and version updates are essential for effective use in the pharmaceutical industry. This information is all about MedDRA. Thank you.